Welcome to technology platform. Today we are going to see like Python unzip function. So already you have seen how to merge it, like list sets data, how to merge it. You can see like now this is like unchip. So whatever we have merged it, so we have to just unmerge. So this is what we are going to see today. Now let me open idle. So just a recap. So how we used zip and then we can see unzip now. Now zip function, I'll say like course, it is a list. So Python, Java. So list means the square parenthesis, square bracket, and then chapters, I'll say like 50, 40. Now I want to merge it this two. So for that we used zip function. So zip functions we cannot use simply standalone, so we have used it like list of zip of and then course comma chapters. Now I have to close it. Here you can see Python is 50, here Python 50, and Java is 40. Now this is the set. How do we remove it, like unzip? So I need to you are getting the data like this, but you want to unmerge the data. How you want to do it? So because of that, they provided a keyword called zip, open bracket, then star. So this is what the keyword we are going to use it for unzip or unmerge list or tuples or dictionary or set. So we want to anything you want to unmerge, you have to use this syntax, zip syntax. Let's see how to use it. Okay, so you have to this single quotes, you have to close it here, then only you will display here. Now um, we have to get it like this. I'm just copying this one. I'll say something called tutorial like this. I'm just storing the data. Now I want to remove it. Let's see. Print off zip off star, and then you have to give it tutorial, right? So this is what you want to do it. But before that, just additionally what we have to do it, like you should not do it printed. Instead of that, we need to write two variable. So for that, I'll say like course comma chapters equal to, then this Python will store it in the course variable, and 50 will store in the chapter variable. Again Java will store in the course variable, and 40 will store in the chapters variable. So because of that, we are declaring two variables equal to zip star of and then this tutorial. Now you want to print it. Let's see, course, you want to just print only course. See, you just got it like Python Java. Now you want to print it chapters. Oh sorry, variables. So you should not use it single quotes. Python chapters 50, 40. So here you can use this kind of unzip method. It's not like unzip function. So zip of star, this is the keyword you want to use it, and then you have to use this kind of variable declaration, and then you need to extract it. So if you want more than two or three variables, then you can say like course chapters comma fees, like that you can unzip the variable. So like that you want to unzip the tutorial. So I hope this you will understand now. Thank you, see you in the next session. Bye.